another Savior. Holy, 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 Nnamdi Kanu is 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 another Savior.
They're over there, actually. Yeah.
God bless you, sir.
But let me call you.
Holy, holy,
Nnamdi Kanu.
what are we saying? Nnamdi Kanu. What are we saying? Bagama. Bagama saying. Nnamdi Kanu. Sowore. Sowore. Sowore Kageso. Ore jeje monana Sowore Kageso. Sowore. Sowore. Sowore Kageso. Ore jeje monana Sowore Kageso. Sowore. Igbo kwenu. Yeah. Cha 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 Igbo kwenu. Yeah. Please, we are here for a simple assignment. Yes. We have been going around the country, and today we are in Gudu to invite you to a major destiny-changing march on Monday. Yes. To bring our brother Nnamdi Kanu back from unlawful, unjust, and wicked detention.
Yes, sir.
And the sham trial that they claim has been going on here at the Federal High Court in Abuja, where, according to them, facing terrorism charges. But if anybody knows anything about terrorism, bandits are carrying guns, they are carrying magazines for chest, holding meeting. In fact, the federal government last week sent delegation to go and attend the naming ceremony of a major bandit in Zamfara or Katsina. If anybody will know anything about criminality, it will be drug dealers. The president pardoned 53 of them last week. Yes. If anybody should scare anybody, the mother, yes, the president pardoned the woman who killed her husband last week. Yes. I'm telling you, if anybody should be worried and dissatisfied with anybody with a bribe taker, the president pardoned #1 bribe taker in the country last week, named Farouk. Because they have said that our brother, who was kidnapped from Kenya, should be facing trial, and he must face the trial even though there is no offense or crime committed. Yes. And we have said we are not going to accept that.
Yes.
I volunteer myself to lead this fight.
Yes, sir.